Yun nga, Madam Car 'no, balikan natin yung, kay
Oh.
Bonoan 'no. Ah, Kasi ang sabi ni, Senator Ping Lacson dito sa hearing is bakit daw parang sinadyang i-mislead or bigyan ng maling, grid coordinates itong si, Pangulong, Marcos. Samantalang, hindi hindi nila alam kung pinaliwanag ba ni Bonoan yung tinatawag na MIPS coordinates tsaka yung actual coordinates sa pagsusumbong niya kay Pangulo. Kaya, kung matatandaan natin parang may pinuntahan si PBBM na isang lugar doon sa flood control na parang mali. Parang hindi yun yung lugar na actual na nakatala doon sa sumbong ng Pangulo. So, anong take niyo dito, Madam Car?
Hindi, you didn't think he explained it enough? Tsaka by the way, may question si ano diyan, si Billy. Um,
Hmm,
so I thought okay naman yung explanation niya, but uh, I'm gonna yung pagkakasabi niya is
okey.
he realized daw na mali-mali yung kanyang
Naku,
grid coordinates.
mm,
Based on how I understood yung explanation niya, although in fairness to Ping Lacson, kasi matagal nang sinasabi ni Ping Lacson yan na
yeah,
ah,
oo,
merong and I think ang nagfi-feed sa kanya, ang nagsusulsol sa kanya is ito si Bernardo, na kasi parang yung he was pitting Bernardo versus Bunuan. Sabi niya,
hmm,
in a private conversation with Yusek Bernardo, ito yung sinabi niya. So, you want to answer to that, Secretary Bunuan? Parang gano'n yung pagkakasabi niya. So, naisip ko, ito pala ang nagkyaw-kyaw na ikaw,
oo,
Yusek Bunuan, sinadya mo pala yun. And at that time, Yusek Bernardo was no longer 'di ba nag-resign na
yeah,
siya.
oo,
So
nag-resign siya.
may mga may mga meron din 'yan si Bernardo na nagsabi, "Uy, alam mo si Benoan mali-mali yung" oh, 'di ba? Meron pa din yang mga contact. Anyway, ang explanation ni Benoan is, "Yeah, when I realized that, I told the president and so yun nagpunta kami blah, 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 blah." So, I thought that and this can only be confirmed by no less than the president. Kasi sabi niya way back in August, I told the president na yun nga ang nangyari. So the only way that Ping Lacson can say na, oh, the president did not know about any of this is if he asks the president. Pero Bonoan was very clear and he seemed very confident that
Mm,
the president would confirm na sinumbong na niya sa pangulo na, "Uy, mali po yung mga grid coordinates and this is
oo,
what each thing means." And it was cleared up just like that with one statement. If he had asked, I mean, yung galit niya kay Bunuan
yeah,
na kasi feeling ko lang it all started when Bunuan made a statement in a press conference way back.
hmm,
Dun ko na napikon si Ping Lacson because this is what he said. Sabi niya, dun ako napikon sa'yo because he made a statement in a press conference na ah, mali po yung ah,
oo, yung,
grid coordinates ni
hmm,
Ping Lacson.
oo,
So, he felt na parang inaatake yung credibility ng team niya. Alam mo
oo,
yun, eh, ano siya, imbestigador siya, yung team
correct,
niya, I mean, he must take pride in his work. Kaya galit siya dun. So, he had to yung parang 'pag I don't know if you've ever had that na yung parang you have to prove yourself na, "Visit na 'to." Inatake mo yung credibility ko, I'm gonna
yeah,
find something to prove you wrong.
yeah,
Kaya nung may nagsabi sa kanya, "Uy, alam mo si Bunuan oh,
mm,
he's trying to prove to the people, I wasn't wrong. Ito pala si Bunuan may kalokohan 'to. Eh, ngayon and I'm not saying Bunuan isn't a dirty ano, yung parang hindi siya tumanggap ng pera or whatever,
Oo,
hindi ako nag-aano. But in this case na talagang minislead niya para magkamali-mali, he
correct, correct.
explained it he explained it
Hmm,
with one sentence, and they can ask the president if it's true. Now, way back in August, he explained the incorrect grid coordinates. They can ask the president if it's true or not.
hmm,
It's as easy as that. Para sa akin, ha. So, I
oo,
don't know. I para sa akin, na-explain yun.
okey.
So,
Pero
but
pero Madam Car 'no, ang sinasabi kasi dito is ang tanong ko naman kasi dito, baka kasi yung, pagkakaalam din ni Ping Lacson nung una 'no, eh, yung actual
wala,
coordinates
naputol.
naputol ako?
Oo, yan, ayun, ayun, bumalik na.
Ayun.
Bumalik
So yun
na.
nga po 'no, yung, pag-aakala siguro ni Ping Lacson dito sa mga coordinates na 'to is iisa lang din, nung una. No, I mean wala siguro din siyang idea na, magkaiba pala yung MIPS coordinates tsaka yung actual coordinates na
Oh,
pinapaliwanag ni Bonoan.
oo, oo.
So kaya
Oh,
yun yung naging ano niya, parang interpretasyon niya doon. So 'pag
parang
ako
may misunderstanding.
oo, yung nagkaroon ng kaya parang ang dating is mini-mislead ni Bonoan yung, ano na yan, para hindi nga makita yung talagang problema. Kasi nga, sabi din ni, Senator Gatchalian, parang, 5 billion per annum yung, nakukuha diyan sa ano na yan, and then nagkakaroon yata ng 10 to 15%, equivalent to 2 billion pesos itong si Bonoan kada, parang, kada kontrata, parang project gano'n. Yun yung
Pero
mm.
did you hear Ping Lacson say anything like that na, dalawa pala yun, hindi hindi pala it's not the same thing, yung he never said anything
Wala,
like that,
eh,
no?
wala, oo. Wala din,
Oh,
hindi ko narinig, eh. Pero anyways, yun lang naman yung ano, parang yun lang naman yung, bakit ngayon lang kasi ang, parang parang proof of the matter nga, bakit ngayon mo lang pinapaliwanag, hindi mo na pinaliwanag noon pa, 'di ba? Yung about diyan sa coordinates na 'yan. Yun yung ano, eh, malaking question, eh, 'di ba?
siguro naman ine-expect niya na there would be people with the president who would be explaining it to him. I mean, I don't know, ha,
Mm.
kasi
Pero
hindi
it's a
naman
matter of
I don't think
national
he
ano
would
kasi,
expect the
ah,
president. I'm sorry, the president is not an engineer, so alam niya na when the president goes to the site, there's gonna be people explaining it to him. Yung pumalit sa kanya siyempre si ano,
si
Vince Dizon would be bringing engineers na, "Oh, eto yung ano, dito tayo pupunta." 'Di ba? I don't know, I don't know.
puwede rin po, may point din po 'yan, yung,
Mm.
sinasabi ko na 'yan. So 'yun,
Or or puwede din na talagang sinadya ni Bunuan.
'yun nga, eh.
That's
Kasi
also a possibility.
yeah, oo, oo. 'Yun nga yung sinasabi ko possibilities, eh. Kasi po ang sabi din
Oh,
ni Ping Lacson, okey lang sana kung 10 or 15 lang yung coordinates na mali, eh. Kaso
hmm,
86 yung coordinates
oh,
na mali. How come na gano'n eh, 'di ba ang mga engineer alam naman natin kapagka engineer siyempre magkamali man 'yan siguro
dapat
isa, dalawa,
hmm,
5, yun na yung pinakamalaki.
hmm,
Pero eto blown up, eh, ang laki, sobrang laki, 86 yung maling
correct.
coordinates, how come, 'di ba?
Hmm.
So yun lang naman yung ano
Ayaw
na
ayaw ni Ma'am Shirley Samonte ng ganyan, 86, ang dami nun.